I'm doing an audit on the south node. I found a hot drop in that ped. There's 2 houses on that cul-de-sac, no accounts. In the ped just down the street, there's 1 house off of that ped in front of that house and no account. Drop was loose, drop was loose. And I thought I didn't have to check this neighborhood because there shouldn't be much hooked up, right? Well, look what I just stumbled on. Every drop hooked up. Oh, beautiful job. Every one of them loose. Every one of them, finger loose. So who did this? Somebody that didn't bring their buzzer that day? 1, 2. Brutal. Okay, I gotta put the camera down. You'll see, every one. And no tap locks or nothing. What the hell? Here we go again. No houses built. All the drops are going into the dirt. And there's 1 house built that's serviced from this ped and no accounts. So I can disconnect it. But what do I find again? This time they're wrench tight. They're all wrench tight. Another 7 drops hooked up, going into the dirt. This stops now.